Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I know, right? But this is the more fun stuff that I was talking about in the household haul. And to start off, I did get some Valentine's Day gifts. I will probably add maybe one or two more little bitty things with this. I always do something special for all the holidays. And I picked this up for him, my son Connor. And two of these, and they are like these Playmobil, like little Lego-y kind of figures, and I believe that all the figures you can get in here are girls, but he really enjoys Lego figures, and I don't think that really matters to him. I mean, I don't think he owns any little girl figures, so I picked these up. It was a good deal for $1, okay? And also his birthday is in February, and he just randomly, we're not having a big party or anything like that for obvious reasons, again, but he did pick up he picked all this out. He actually wants a sans cake. I know, right? I don't even know how he come to be into that sans undertale. I don't know, it's totally weird. My child and myself are both strange and unusual. But he really liked the emoji stuff, so he got a little emoji tablecloth and some emoji plates, some yellow forks to go with that, and I think this is really cute. And of course I will make his cake, or I usually will make his cake, but we may buy one, just depends. I'll make him a special dinner, and he can have maybe 8 and over, so he's excited about that. And I got a couple birthday bags. I decided to do bags instead of paper. I mean, it's just convenient. I did get him like this 3-piece pajama kind of set from Walmart and a few other little things, plus, you know, I've been mentioning the tablet and a couple accessories for that, so that's that. And I do have some wrapping paper that I might use, but for now I'm sticking with the bags. So this emoji bag, and I always love the Dollar Tree monster bags. I literally have got him one every year for his birthday, and this says have a monster birthday, and the monster is like a metallic looking. So a couple bags, Valentine's Day, and birthday supplies. I have some repeat kind of purchases as well, but they're kind of like beauty related in general. I like to have shaved legs. I love these Assured 6-bladed razors. I think they're awesome. I haven't had any nicks or cuts with these. They can be a very close, smooth shave. I love these. They're my favorite razors from Assured. And picked up more hand sanitizer. Big surprise. More hand sanitizer. I picked up the other scent they had. Last time I did pick up the green one, the blue one I believe, and now I have the pink one. You know, it's just really convenient to carry my purse or off the keys, and not to forget that. And this is a repeat purchase. This is my fourth time purchasing a jar of this body souffle, and this is the after shower cream, and I picked it up in peonies and pears this time. So I love this stuff. It smells really good. It's thick, it's creamy, very moisturizing. You cannot go wrong with that. It's really good stuff. A couple new items I found in the health and beauty aisles. I found this first aid kit, and it's got 18 pieces in here. And from what I can tell, there's like a little pocket knife, there's scissors, clips, tweezers, bandages, Q-tips, tweezers. I usually have a first aid kit in the car for like when we go to the park and things like that. And I always keep like Tylenols and children's Tylenols and all that stuff in it. Antibacterial sprays. I mean, you never know. You're going to the park, scrape knees and stuff. So I'm going to just add that to it. You know, I think this kit's going to be perfect for like splinters. With all these splinters. And I found this new spa, and this is from the April Bath and Shower, and it's the Sugar Coffee Body Scrub, and you get 1.7 fluid ounces. I don't like this packaging, how it like divots in. Why couldn't they just cut that off altogether? I mean, I know it would look really small unless they done that, unless they did this. But honestly, what a bunch of wasted plastic. Anyways, this thing smells amazing, by the way. Another candle, and this one is from Sure Scents, and I'm really liking these candles like this. They're 3.5 ounces. It's in the scent Amber Woods. It says you get 15% more. I do think normally they are 3 ounces, so I do believe that's a true statement. It smells really good. I can't wait to use it. I'm still in fall scents. I can't break away. Sorry, not sorry. Now the rest of this stuff I'm super duper excited for. I found all the new storage stuff. I didn't pick up a ton of stuff from it, but I'm going to kind of show it. And I found some name brand makeup. So awesome. I was so excited. Normally I do not find that much of the name brand stuff at my store, so I was so excited. After reading the Sarah Czar book, Story of a Girl, that I found at the Dollar Tree, I took time yesterday when I went and really dug through the books, and I found some exciting books as well. So these are pretty large here, and it is just a essentials basket, it says. I picked up a file holder in the nice peach corally shade. They had several colors to choose from. I do have another one of these in like yellow on my makeup desk, and then some of those cardboard file holders, so I figured I'd just replace one of the cardboard file holders and use this instead. I actually love how it's kind of low and the other one's really tall, and I don't know, I like being able to see my palettes. So that's a kind of a small, you know, so I'm excited about trading that out. And then I picked up one of these baskets. Also had these in several different colors, but I picked this up in the pink color. And it just says basket on it as well. And it's got little handles. I will pick up more in the future if I need them. But right now, I just only had ideas for 4 of these items. Alrighty. So, this is to go with the books I found. I just thought that it would be kind of neat to try this out. It's a clip-on book light. It's LED. It's adjustable. It has the clip on it. I mean, that's a pretty good bargain for $1 if it works. The books I found, I was really excited for. I would classify at least a couple of these books in the kind of thriller, mystery kind of books. And I'm totally into that. Like I said before, I do like horror genre, which to me branches out into like thrillers, mysteries kind of thing, and I do like romance novels sometimes, so, and coming of age tales, so some of these fall in that category. I picked up, this is by Carrie Marin, unsure, Weave a Circle Round, When the Unexpected Moves in Next Door. This is paperback. And there's a little summary of the story. Okay, the next one is also paperback, and it's called The Neighbor. What's Going On in the House Next Door? Both of these are about neighbors. And it's from Joseph Souza. There's a summary of this story. And the last book I picked up is hardback. It's by B.A. Paris, and it's called Bring Me Back. And this one I'm really intrigued about. Plus it's hardback for $1. What's some great gift ideas if you know somebody who reads and loves to read? She vanished. A decade ago, his girlfriend disappeared. He lied. He told the police the truth about that night, just not the whole truth. Their secrets won't stay buried. Now he's moved on, but the past isn't done with him yet. I am so excited to start this book. So, when I get through these books, when I'm able to get to them and read them in their entirety, like I said, I know, a lot of people think staying home at being a mom isn't that grueling. It is. I homeschool as well. I only have one child, but still, it is time consuming and I don't have a lot of time in the day. So, I try to pump out videos, I try to do makeup, I try to read, I try to do all kinds of stuff, clean the house, cook, all that stuff in a very short amount of time, and do homeschooling. So, yeah, So when I get through these, we'll do a book review on them, okay? Just like we did in Story of a Girl. I hope you guys enjoyed that book review as well. I also want to point out, I tried to do the book review without doing any major spoilers for the actual book itself, if you pick it up yourself, because I don't think that's very fair. If I want to watch a review, I don't want to hear a bunch of spoilers. I want to hear, like, the dynamic of the book, like, you know, how it is, and if it's complex, and what it goes along, what kind of readers is targeted for this particular book, if that makes sense. So, I hope you guys enjoy that as well. I'm getting ready to get into the fun makeup finds, and I am so excited to share them with you. Okay, one of the items I was really hoping to find at my store was the Broadway Colors Contour Artist Cream. And honestly, I'm only interested in this light shade here because I use a cream concealer in a pan for my eyebrows. But I will try the rest of it out. And it is in light medium. And I was so happy that my store actually had this. You get highlight, bronzer, contour, and 2 corrector shades. So, yeah. And then everyone also was hauling a bunch of hard candy and a bunch of Maybelline. Also, did not expect to find hard candy. Like, normally, I've only seen hard candy, I think, maybe one time at my Dollar Tree, and it was something I was completely uninterested in. But yesterday, I found this, and I've actually repurchased this product myself twice full price. So I grabbed this one, I snatched it up. I probably should have grabbed a couple more, but I have quite a few setting sprays right now, so I thought, you know. This is their 12-hour long wear setting spray. I love this setting spray. I think it works great. So this is full size, and it was $1. Seriously, I'm so excited about these deals. And then the next one also is a setting spray, and it's their 12-hour protection setting spray. This one says shake well, and it is charcoal to detoxify, anti-blue light, anti-pollution, antioxidant. And it's got 12-hour protectant and hydration. It's their Defend setting spray. I don't know, I actually had never really paid any attention to this one or anything on the shelf, but when I found it for $1 yesterday, I absolutely, you best believe, picked it up. Now, last and final items I found are from Maybelline. Once again, did not expect to find a lot of Maybelline at my Dollar Tree, but I did find a few things. And I actually own this already. This is their Ultraviolet Maybelline Snapscara. And I own this. I like it. I've used it in a bunch of tutorials. It's a purple mascara. But everyone that I use it in, or have used it in, my mom commented, oh, I love that purple mascara. And yeah, so I picked this one up for my mom. Because she always mentions the purple mascara. So I picked that up for her. And then I was really happy that they had this. I really wanted the Black Cherry Snapscara, which I did not find in my store. I would have paid full price for this one, but I never found it. And yesterday I found it at the Dollar Tree for $1. Can you believe this? $1. Love Dollar Tree. Last and final item is from Maybelline, and it's their Lasting Drama Matte Lacquer Liner. Very intriguing product here. I got Teal Envy. This is the only one I actually found. I've never bought any of these full price or anything like that. I've never used this type of product. And it's supposed to be matte finish, bold color intensity. And man, I'm really excited to try this product. So yes, what awesome makeup finds for this Dollar Tree trip, and the books. I'm over the moon about the books. Yeah, I'd actually, after I gave birth and stuff, I found that, even though Connor's getting ready to turn 7, but just a short little story, I felt that I didn't have the time to read anymore, which I didn't. And now that Connor's a little bit older, is able to do some things on his own, you know, preoccupy play. You know, sometimes he gets the privilege of playing like Lego games or Roblox. You know, with that being said, I do have a little bit of free time. I am back into reading more than ever now. I thank you guys so much for watching my Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls as well. Check the description box for additional links. Don't you forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And I thank you always so very much for watching.